Ready to take control of your digital life and safeguard your precious data with a secure cloud storage solution, all from your iPhone. First, let's head over to the App Store. Tap on the search bar and type in Mega. Tap the search button in the bottom right corner. Look for the official Mega application. It should be easily recognizable with its red logo now. Tap on the Get button. Once the app is downloaded and installed, tap on the Open button to launch Mega. When Mega opens, you'll be presented with two options: log in or create account. Since we're creating a new account, tap Create Account. On the Create Account screen, enter your first and last name, your email address, and create a strong, secure password. Make sure it is a password that you don't use anywhere else. Scroll down and carefully read through the terms of service and privacy policy before ticking both checkboxes to show you agree with the conditions. Once you've filled in all the required fields and ticked the boxes, tap on the Create Account button. You will then be asked to verify your email address. Go to your email inbox and look for the verification email from Mega. If you don't see it immediately, check your spam or junk mail folder. Open the email and click on the Verify Email button. After successful verification, return to the Mega app and tap Log in to enter your email and password that you just created. Welcome to Mega. You're now ready to securely store and access your files on the go. Protect your valuable information in the cloud.